Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the replacement process of the keyboard on your ASUS M513I, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for any internal cleaning. Ensure you have a well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical hazards while working on your device. Once it's powered down, flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. Slide the latch to release the battery, and carefully remove it from its compartment. This step not only ensures safety but also allows better access to the keyboard area. Next, remove the screws that secure the back panel. Typically, there are around 6 to 10 screws, depending on the model. Use your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver for this task. Place the screws in a small container so they don't get lost. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is removed, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Gently disconnect this ribbon cable by lifting the locking mechanism. If you're unfamiliar with this step, remember to handle the cable with care to avoid any damage. Now, let's focus on the keyboard itself. Look for any additional screws that may be holding the keyboard in place. These are often found near the function keys or along the edge of the keyboard. Remove these screws and keep them in your container. After all screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard from the bottom edge first, as it may still be connected with clips. Carefully work your way around the edges, releasing the clips one by one until the keyboard is free. If you encounter resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. Once the keyboard is detached, take a moment to clean the internal area with a microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, impacting your laptop's performance. A clean environment ensures that your new keyboard will function optimally. Now, it's time to install the new keyboard. Align it correctly with the clips and gently press it into place. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this could damage the new component. Once secure, reinsert the screws you previously removed to ensure the keyboard is firmly attached. After securing the keyboard, reconnect the ribbon cable by sliding it back into the connector and locking it in place. This step is crucial for the keyboard to function properly, so make sure it's firmly attached. Finally, reattach the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it clicks into place. Don't forget to reinsert the screws that hold the back panel in position. Once everything is secured, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. If you feel uncertain at any point during this process, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Additionally, we provide a quote before any repair, so you'll know the costs up front. Completing this replacement will enhance your ASUS M513i experience and ensure your device runs smoothly again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.